Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today's video is about another perfume we are going to explore from Ajmal, which is Sacred Love. So I actually explored my packets which I have stored from like 2 years of different samples, and I thought I should share my thoughts on all these samples and share the perfume journey with you, because a lot of people think that I try to describe it as simple as possible, and I'm not going to be very flashy that this is the best perfume, this is going to make you dizzy or something like that. So here it says Sacred Love from Ajmal, citrus fresh floral, floral musky fresh is heart, base is fresh musky floral. So musk is there, citrus is there and florals are there. So let's find out how this actually evolves and how this perfume is. I think it is mostly would be for women because the bottle is red. I will show the bottle over here. So I'm not sure what is wrong with these vials. Oops, very difficult to spray this one. I think I should have to open the vial. Maybe, yes, now. Just lucky to get one spray out of it. So I'm not sure what is happening. Okay, so second one. Okay, I think 3 sprays are enough to. Okay, this one is better. It's a nice one. Let's try to wake up my computer. Okay, so yes, definitely it is fruity. For me it has some nice blend of citrus. So citrus here is a bit sweet, so that is why I said it's kind of like a fruit. Yes, it seems like sweet orange, very light sweet orange mixed with some florals. I really like this one. I wasn't sure that I would like it. I think I would really like it on a woman. Yes, musky base just to round off the florals. Nicely done. So this one is nice. I think it is very weak. Maybe it might be very weak because it has already started disappearing from the strip. Sweet citrus, musky, light florals in the background. It has more citrus and musk, and it is fresh. Very nice. I think from a cheap or affordable perfumes, this is a nice one from Ajmal, Sacred Love. I think it is recommended for women. You can wear it every day. It could be your everyday perfume, maybe in the office. Nice one. Very nice, delicate, kind of floral, citrus, sweet citrus, kind of musky perfume. Yes, this is really nicely done, Ajmal. Hats off to Ajmal for creating this Sacred Love. I think this is not very pricey perfume, so if you can get your hands on it, and if you are a woman, this one is really a nice perfume. Do check out its sample if you can find its sample, or in a store from Ajmal. If you find anything like Sacred Love, try spraying this on. If you are a woman, I hope you would probably like it. Now the florals are getting ahead, so I personally don't like florals. You already know that I hate white florals because they initiate a headache in my brain. Very nice. So it reminds me of few other perfumes, but this one is a bit different. It has citrus fruity, light sweet fruity roundness there, muskiness and florals in the background. I would really recommend it for a woman. This is my review about Sacred Love from Ajmal. This is the vial. So I would show the bottle over here on the right or left. Let me show you the vial. So this is the vial and this is the small box. I think the red is actually attractive over here. Maybe it is a bit of romantic perfume, and I would agree that this is kind of very light attractive perfume, not very seductive kind of perfume, but light attractive perfume for women. So I hope you have enjoyed this review from me about Sacred Love from Ajmal. Very nice perfume for women. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Make sure you can also comment. I love reading your comments, and some people ask me, or some women and men, they ask me about different perfume suggestions, and I give them whatever they have the taste for that. So that is all. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.